Question 7. A body of mass 4m is lying in xy plane at rest. It suddenly explodes into 3 pieces. 2 pieces of each mass m move perpendicular from each other with equal speed v. The total kinetic energy generated due to explosion will be first option mv square, second option 3 by 2 mv square, third 2 mv square and fourth 4 mv square. Now solution. Given us mass of the particle m, mass of the particle m, so the mass of third rest particle will be 4m minus 2m is equal to 2m. The velocity of first particle vi cap, velocity of another particle vj cap, and velocity of third particle v origin. From the linear momentum conservation, initial momentum will be equal to the final linear momentum because there is no external force applied on the system. So P initial will be 0, P1 plus P2 plus P3, so P3 will be minus of P1 plus P2. P1 and P2 is equal and perpendicular in magnitude, so P3 will be minus mv I cap plus mv j cap. The P3 will be minus mv I cap plus j cap in vector form, but modulus from the perpendicular from each other, mv square plus mv square root, so P3 have modulus root 2 mv. We know that momentum will be mass into velocity. So mass of third particle, velocity of third particle is equal to root 2 mv. Velocity of third particle will be root 2 mv upon 2m because mass of third particle given us 2m. Velocity of third particle v by root 2. This will be speed. The total energy of explosion is sum of kinetic energy of all particles. So, energy of explosion will be half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square plus half m3 v3 square. The given us mass m, velocity v1 is equal to v, half mass m2 is m and speed v2 is also v, mass m3 2m and velocity of third particle speed earlier we achieved v by root 2. So, total energy will be 3 by 2 mv square. So, correct answer will be second option 3 by 2 mv square.